What if you could create UGC ads without having to hire a single creator or clone yourself to make them? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that using Creatify.ai. When it comes to getting UGC content, before you had to work with creators and spend hundreds or thousands of dollars and spend a lot of time going back and forth on creative and edits, but now you no longer have to really worry about that with AI. So I'm going to be giving you a full step-by-step tutorial on the best way that you can get the most out of Creatify.ai. So let's jump right into this. I will leave a link to Creatify.ai down below in the description so you can follow along. That link will make sure you get the latest discount or the best price for Creatify.ai. All right, so once you sign up for Creatify.ai, this is the dashboard that you'll be taken into. In the top left-hand corner, it will tell you your plan. In the top right-hand corner, you can change it to light mode or dark mode. I prefer the dark mode. Over here in the left-hand column is where we have a little bit of a menu system. We're going to be doing most of the work inside of the home tab, but I'll be covering all of these tabs here in this video as well. And then down below, you have your total credits or AI credits. Every time you use videos, it uses certain credits depending on your plan. You have different amounts of credits. So first thing here is we have the home tab, and you can notice inside of the home tab, there are a lot of tools inside of here to actually create AI videos. And each one of these tools kind of gives you a different style of a video. So I want to walk through how to use each one of these and the output for each one of these styles so that you can figure out which one might be best for you. The first one that we're going to be starting off with is the Aurora avatar here. And you can see this allows you to take an avatar and kind of give it a little bit of a script to talk. It's more of a talking head style video. Now with this model, you can either select one of their pre-built avatars here. You can just grab somebody that is not holding a product, or if you wanted to, I'll show you how you can do something like this where you can create an avatar that is actually holding your product and do the video style that way. For now, I'm just going to show you how to create a talking head video just with somebody without a product. So we're going to select an avatar. You can see the recent ones used here. I'm going to go through and select that one again, and it's Joanna right here. You can select the style or the background that you want. We're going to select this one right here and then confirm. Then from here, you can upload audio, or you can add a script, or you can even try a sample script if you want to just put something inside of here. Or they even have this little AI writer, which is really nice. So you could say what your product or service is about, type it in here, and then it say what kind of script style you want, and it will generate a script completely for you. Then down below here, you can actually add emotion if you wanted to. So if you wanted to change the way that she speaks, you could click that and it will give you different emotion markers, which is a really nice feature there. Then you can add captions as well. We're going to leave that off. And then here is the prompt. And then finally, all you need to do is hit create here. You can see it will then tell you how many credits it is. So 5 credits for 15 seconds. It will then go through and render that video. All right. And once you hit that, it will then take you into your projects tab. The project tab is really nice because it allows the software to render your projects and build them. And you can see you have a library of all of the different projects that you have done. And this allows you to then come back over to the home tab and continue working if you wanted to do that while another project is rendering. But I do want to stop and show you the example of what this looks like when it is all finished here. So here's kind of what you can expect with the Aurora avatar.
Looking to add a little sparkle to your outfit? These sterling silver earrings are a must-have. With their elegant twisted design and dazzling cubic zirconia, they're perfect for any occasion. Treat yourself or surprise a loved one with a gift they'll cherish forever.
So that kind of gives you an idea on that style and what you can hope to accomplish with that. Like I said, if you wanted to create an avatar that is actually holding a product, I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. That will be in the product videos. The next one here that is really popular is the AI video ads. What this does is it will take an image from your product link, as you can see here, any of these different product links, and it will turn it into a video ad. So you can grab your Shopify store, your Amazon listing, anything along those lines. For this one, we are going to be grabbing this link right here from Old Navy. We're going to grab these jeans and we're going to plop this in here and we're going to analyze the URL. What it's going to do is it's going to search the URL for different assets that we can grab. So we're going to grab some of these assets inside of here. And once we've selected the images that we want, we can then click on this little promotional info. And if we wanted to add an original price and a promo price, we could do that. And then the promo details, we're going to leave that off for this example. And we're going to hit next here. It is then going to ask for the platform. We want this to be a TikTok ad and we want the aspect ratio to be a 9:16 duration. We're going to leave it at 30 seconds. And then here for the target audience, we're going to say wide leg jean lovers, and we're going to hit next here. It is then going to start generating a bunch of scripts for us to choose from. So we'll come back in a minute and grab one of those scripts. And you can see here, it will choose a script based on like a discount focus, wardrobe transition, size inclusion, body positivity, or you could even use your own script here. But we're just going to go with the discount focus and we'll hit next here. It will then ask for our model. So we're going to go through and select a model real quick. I'm just going to grab this Lauren right here. You can choose the background that you want this to be. We're going to grab this background. right here. And then we're going to hit next. And what it's going to do next is it's going to generate a bunch of different storyboards for us to choose from. And then based on those storyboards, we can decide which ones we actually want to create using AI. Okay, and you can see here, this is a great way to create a bunch of different ads to A/B test. The thing with this style is you'll notice that it has the AI avatar talking, but she's actually not wearing the jeans. It's just showing pictures of jeans coming through. And you'll notice that the lip syncing on here, because it's not rendered yet, it will be accurate after we render it. And I'll show you an example of what this looks like. But you can see it gives you a lot of different examples that looks something like this. So we're going to render this and I'll show you what it looks like after it's rendered. But the nice thing is you could literally render all of these and A/B test them inside of your ad. So we're going to click render here real quick. It will start rendering it. It will ask the model we want to use, and then we'll do render and stay. And I'll show you what this looks like after it's all completed. And now that is all rendered. So this is the kind of video output you can expect with the AI video ad. So we're going to scroll over here and I'll show you this video right here.
Like jeans that actually flatter your body instead of drowning it. These mid-rise wow baggy jeans hit differently. The mid-rise sits right at your natural waist, and the wide leg cut creates this amazing silhouette that works on every body type. Plus, they come in short, regular, and long inseams, so you get the perfect fit. The quality denim moves with you all day without losing shape. Trust me, you're...
All right, so that's a pretty good ad, but like I said, one of the negatives of this is the avatar actually isn't wearing the product. So I will show you a couple different ways that now you can actually get your avatar to wear the product or to talk about the product. The avatar video here is very similar to the Aurora avatar, so I'm not going to be covering that one. The steps are very similar. You can see when you click inside of here, it will be a very similar setup where you have the avatar and you can have it do the video. When I'm using this, honestly, most of the time, instead of using the avatar video, I will use the Aurora avatar here. So now I want to move on to the ad clone, which is honestly one of my favorite features with Creatify. And this allows you to actually find a specific ad and to clone it exactly as what it sounds like. And so what we can do here is we can grab a specific ad. And then in this case, for our jeans, we can click in here, and instead of searching for sunglasses, we can search for jeans and find a bunch of different products that actually have jeans in them. And you can see there are all of these different ads that we can then take our product. So we have our URL here that we can say, okay, I want to grab this template right here, say that I wanted to create a video similar to, say that I like this one right here, like this kind of look. I could clone this ad and then it would ask for the video that I want it to be associated with. I'm going to grab my Old Navy link here, and then we're going to generate the link. And then it will then take that video and generate a full video for you based on that. Okay, and here it is an example of the ad clone and kind of the output that it will give you. So you can see here, I had this ad right here that I copied. So this is the original ad. And I wanted to copy it here, and this is the output it gave me. And it actually, instead of a 9-second ad, it gave me a minute ad. And keep in mind, this is 100% AI. This lady is AI. The sweater is the image that I gave it, and here's what output is. Now that's basically what the entire video is for that 1 minute and 8 seconds. And you'll probably notice that maybe it's a little bit slow. And also it has this annoying little text here that has the brand that isn't mine. So if I wanted to change that, all I need to do is click on this little edit button here. And then inside of the edit button, I can click down and I can find the exact spot where I don't want the showing here. So we're going to grab this little fuzzy part and we can delete that. And then I can go through and I can scroll on all of these and I can delete the text that I don't want, or I can add text that I want here. And then you can see on this one, the AI, it looks like she's not wearing pants here. So maybe I want to cut this down so it doesn't show that spot. And maybe I wanted to make each one of these a little bit faster, moved every 3 seconds or so. It has this little built-in editor that makes it nice to make little edits on the fly as you need. You can also add headlines, sub-headlines, bodies, and descriptions. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, this isn't like the most crazy video editor, but it's nice that you can take this and change up different things and delete parts that you don't like. Or you can see here, there's another part where I may wanted to make it a little bit smaller or move these around, because AI can make mistakes, but it's nice that you have that. And then from here, you can render it and have a new version of that video. Now, the next option that you have here is the product video. And where this comes in handy is when you want to create an avatar that is actually holding your product and you want to give that avatar a specific script using the Aurora model here. You can see when I go to this and the recently used, I have a couple models here that I actually have holding products. So I can create videos for these exact avatars. And the way that you do that is by coming into the product video here. And then from this part, you can either do a product shot, an avatar showcase, or a talking video. In this case, we're going to do the talking video. And the tips here, you're going to want to upload an image that actually has a solid background here and no people holding it. So we're going to go and we're going to grab a specific item here. We're going to grab our avatar. So I used Stephanie here, so I can grab this and then confirm here. Next, we need to actually add our product image. So we're going to choose from our smart assets here, and we're going to grab one of the assets that I've uploaded before, which was the mascara. So I have this image here of the mascara, and this is a good example because it's a blank background here just with the product. And then from here, you can do the talking video. You can have it give a specific background if you want, or you can just leave it blank. And then we're going to use Nano Banana here. I like to use the Pro one to get the best results. You can just use Nano Banana if you don't have premium, but we're going to use this one, and we're going to create a preview here. It's going to use 1 credit and it's going to generate that. What it's going to do is after that's generated, it will populate a video that looks something like this. And you can see here, once the video is in play, then you can generate the video. Now, sometimes you'll notice with this, you can see in this first example here, this lady is holding it, and you can see she's holding it kind of weird because both of those are showing there and it's not natural. So what you can do is you can describe what you want to tweak. And that's what I did. I said, make sure she's only holding one part of the mascara, not 2 of them. And then it gave me this image where it actually works because she's naturally holding the product. From that point, once it's generated, you can hit generate video, and then it will take you to the Aurora model where you can hit try it, and you can then pop into here and do exactly what we did with the example before. And this time she's actually holding the mascara. And I'll show you an example of what this looks like once this is all completed and you've done the script and everything in there.
Once I dreaded mascara. Every brand promised longer lashes, but every morning brought the same clumps and smudges. Then a friend handed me the Telescopic Original by L'Oreal Paris. The wand was slender, unlike any I'd seen. As I swept it on, each lash...
All right, so you can see there she's going through and she actually is holding the product and talking about it. There are, of course, some limitations to this where she's not really like showing the mascara being applied, or she's not wearing it, and there's not like dynamic motion. So you could go through and edit different things in there. But if you wanted to get dynamic motion and someone actually wearing the product, that is where I recommend this next tool, which is the asset generator. And out of all the tools here, this is probably the one that I use the most and my favorite one because it produces honestly the best results. So you can come over here to the asset generator. What I like to do is you can either do a text to video, image to video, or a video to video. What I prefer is an image to video. This is perfect if you have a product that you want to make a video for. And what you want to make sure you do is you come over here to the Sora, and you want to go to Sora to Pro here. And then from here, we can describe what we want. And I honestly keep this very simple. I just say create a UGC style ad for these jeans, and we want to add our start frame. You can either upload an image or choose from your smart assets here. We're going to grab the pair of jeans, and same thing, you want to make sure it's kind of a blank background here. And then from here, you can select the aspect ratio. We want this to be a TikTok ad, and we're going to do this 12 seconds. Now, the limitation of this one is it produces the best video results, but you either have to do 4, 8, or 12 seconds. So keep that in mind. And we're going to hit generate this. Once we generate that, it will take a little bit of time to go through, but this is the end result after it's all said and done. And I have to say, every time I do this, it honestly blows me away, but here is the final result.
On the jeans I've been living in lately, they're mid-rise, perfectly baggy, and the wide leg sits just right over my sneakers. The denim's soft, but holds its shape so they don't get saggy. I can wear them with a crop top and sneakers, or throw on a blazer and instantly...
All right, so you can see here, that is kind of the best of all worlds. She's actually showing the product. She's wearing it. It adds music for you, even text, everything in there, all just from this one simple prompt that allows you to do that. So that's why the asset generator is probably one of my favorites. When we come back here to the home tab, the next ones that we have are the image ads. And so you can actually go through and do the same thing where you add a product image and it will create images for you. I'm not going to cover that one this much in this tutorial because I think it's pretty straightforward. And honestly, I think there are better tools out there for image ads. Creatify does okay, but there are better ones that I'll probably be doing tutorials on later. And then here are the AI shorts. This is for people who are wanting to create a different style, non-realistic, or maybe a collage, line art, realistic, cinematic, steampunk, any kind of different design. Here you can try an example here and do like a cartoonish kind of thing, or a 4D realistic. And I'll show you a couple examples of what these look like when you render these. So these kind of videos are perfect if you're just wanting to do more of a social media post and not really a product, but here's an example of what it can produce.
Experience the future of personal mobility with the Aeroglide. Sleek design meets exceptional performance in this groundbreaking electric vehicle. Enjoy a smooth, quiet ride while minimizing your environmental impact.
So you kind of get an idea of the style of that, and you can choose lots of different styles on the AI shorts. This one specifically was the collage. I also really like the 4D realistic model, but you can kind of play around and see which one style you like best. Now, moving on, the last feature that I want to talk about that is really popular and has been fun to play around with is the create your own avatar. If you click inside of here, you can actually create your own avatar either by giving it an image or a video. So we're going to upload an image here, and I'll show you how this works. So we're going to grab this image. This is me me. So I did an image of me with a beard and then a video with me without the beard, and I'll kind of show you the difference between those. And then you can select a voice or upload audio. If you're going to be cloning yourself, I would highly recommend uploading the audio. You'll want to go through and record some video or some audio that's about, I think, 5 minutes or so. You upload that and then you can generate this. We're going to go through and generate that. I've already done this, but you can select a specific voice, but after you've uploaded the audio, you can generate. It takes a little bit of time to generate your avatar, but here is the end result for that. So once your avatar is all built, where you'll be able to find it here is if you come over into more and then avatars, you'll be able to see all of the avatars that you have built. So you can see I have this using the Aurora avatar here. It's me speaking, which is kind of crazy that that is all AI. And then this one right here, which is me speaking as well, which is all AI as well. Now, if I wanted to actually use this in a video and take myself and build something, I can either click right here and then hit generate video, and it will take me into this model where I can start creating something, or I could come back over here and go to home. And then if I go to the home tab and create an avatar, I can select a specific avatar. And then right here under realistic avatars, you can do a styled avatar, or you can change over to the custom avatar and you will see yours inside of here. So I went through and did a quick video. I gave it a script of me talking, and here is the end result of the avatar video.
Picture yourself in a bustling cafe, hoping to capture the perfect audio for your next project. Your iPhone alone picks up chatter and clatter, but with a special...
All right, so you kind of get the idea. It goes through and talks about an iPhone microphone there, but it's pretty realistic. Like, I'm looking at it right now, and I can tell still that it's a little bit AI, but it's getting really close, especially because I know my face. But I think most people would see this and would not even bat an eye or really realize that it is AI. Now, a couple other features that I want to talk about for Creatify.ai in these tabs, this inspiration tab, I find it really helpful to look through this to find inspiration for ads. So if you have no idea where to begin, this could be a great place for you to start. And then you could even come down here and clone some of these videos as you're looking at them. Another thing that I like is the smart assets. You saw me use it a lot in this video. If you wanted to add a new product, you can upload your URL here. That way it's just ready and available for you to use anytime you are creating those videos. And last, there is this competitor ad tracker. So if you had competitors you wanted to follow, you can add a brand here and spy on their ads and make videos based off of those ads. So now you're equipped with everything you need to know to start running UGC type ads using AI. If you made it this far in the video, I know you're probably the type of person who's actually going to take action. If you're going to be taking action in using Creatify.ai, I would appreciate if you use the link down below in the description. It is an affiliate link and helps keep videos like these for free. I really do appreciate it, and it gives you the best discount, and it costs no more for you, of course, to use. But thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.